Owning a luxury SUV is often seen as a symbol of success, comfort, and prestige. But while many are drawn to the allure of these high-end vehicles, few consider the hidden costs that come with them. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore these often overlooked expenses, from maintenance and insurance to depreciation and environmental impact. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what it truly means to own a luxury SUV. 1. The initial purchase price sticker. Shock, luxury SUVs often come with a hefty price tag, easily reaching $50,000 to $100,000 or more. This initial cost can be a significant financial burden. Financing costs. If you're financing the vehicle, don't forget about interest rates, which can add thousands to the overall cost over the life of the loan. 2. Insurance premiums. Higher rates. Luxury SUVs typically come with higher insurance premiums due to their value and repair costs. Insurers view them as higher-risk vehicles. Comprehensive coverage. Many luxury SUV owners opt for comprehensive coverage, further increasing monthly premiums. 3. Maintenance and repairs routine. Maintenance. Luxury vehicles often require specialized service that can be more expensive than standard vehicles. Parts replacement. The cost of parts for luxury SUVs can be significantly higher, leading to steep repair bills, especially after the warranty expires. 4. Fuel costs. Fuel efficiency. Many luxury SUVs are not known for their fuel efficiency. While some hybrids are entering the market, traditional models can be gas guzzlers. Premium gasoline. Many luxury SUVs require premium gasoline, further increasing your overall fuel expenses. 5. Depreciation. Rapid depreciation. Luxury SUVs can lose value quickly, sometimes more than 20% in the first year alone. This rapid depreciation can impact resale values significantly. Market trends. The luxury SUV market fluctuates, and economic downturns can lead to even steeper declines in value. 6. Licensing and taxes. Higher registration fees. Luxury vehicles often incur higher registration fees and taxes based on their value. Luxury tax. In some regions, there may be a luxury tax applied to vehicles above a certain price point, adding to the overall cost. 7. Tires and brakes. Premium components. Luxury SUVs often come with specialized tires and brakes, which can be more expensive to replace than those for standard vehicles. Frequent replacements. Depending on driving habits and conditions, these components may need to be replaced more frequently. 8. Interior and technology upgrades. Cutting-edge features. Many luxury SUVs come equipped with advanced technology and high-end interior materials, which can be costly to repair or replace. Upgrades and customizations. Owners may feel pressured to continually upgrade their vehicles with the latest technology or custom features, leading to additional expenses. 9. Environmental impact. Carbon footprint. Luxury SUVs tend to have larger engines, contributing to a higher carbon footprint and environmental impact. Sustainability costs. As awareness of environmental issues grows, there may be additional costs associated with offsetting your vehicle's impact, such as carbon credits or sustainability initiatives. 10. Lifestyle changes. Social perception. Owning a luxury SUV can change how you interact with others, sometimes leading to inflated expectations regarding lifestyle choices. Financial pressure. The need to maintain the status that comes with a luxury SUV can lead to financial strain, affecting your overall quality of life. While luxury SUVs offer undeniable comfort, style, and prestige, the hidden costs associated with owning one can add up quickly. From insurance and maintenance to depreciation and environmental impact, it's essential to consider these factors before making a purchase. Owning a luxury SUV is not just about the initial investment. It's about understanding the long-term financial commitment involved. By being aware of these hidden costs, you can make a more informed decision and ensure that your luxury SUV fits not only your lifestyle, but also your budget. Are you still considering a luxury SUV, or do you have questions about the costs? Let's dive deeper into any specific area of interest or concern.